Are you tired of chasing friends or family for money they owe you? Do you ever wish there was a super simple way to send a polite reminder without the awkward conversation? Well, with the Monese app, there is. The request payment feature makes it easy to get paid back, whether it's for a shared dinner, concert tickets, or a group gift. So, how does it work? It's a quick, 3-step process right inside your app. First, you'll open the Monese app and go to the payment screen. You'll see a few different options there, but you're looking for the Request tab. Tap on that. Next, you'll see a list of your contacts. If you've already given Monese access to your phone contacts, they'll show up right there. Just select the person you need to request money from. If they're not in your contacts, no problem. You can select Add New and simply type in their name and phone number. Finally, you just enter the amount you're requesting and tap Send. You can even add a little note to remind them what the money is for, like for dinner last Friday. To make it even more clear, once you send the request, they'll get a simple SMS text message with all the details they need to pay you back. On your end, you'll see a new section on your home screen showing your pending requests, so you can always keep track. The request will stay there for 10 days, or until it's settled. Once they pay, you'll get a notification, and the money will land right in your account. It's that simple. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.